Hi everyone, Michael here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Aves epoxy paste. Today I'm going to skim coat this model using Aves epoxy paste. The reason why is even though I have sanded and putty this very smooth, it's not quite as smooth as I want it. So I'm just gonna mix up some epoxy paste and add a very, very thin coat on this. Good thing about epoxy paste is that you mix equal parts of each. So you don't have to measure out anything, just equal parts. The good thing about the Aves products is that they have almost no smell. Well, if they did have a smell, it would be similar to corn chips. Once you feel like you've added enough, go ahead and mix it together. And you don't have to rush this. You have a very, very long working time. I believe you probably have, according to Canon, it says you have about 30 minutes good workability with this, up to about an hour. It then starts to solidify. It's kind of like very, very sticky frosting or brownie batter. So now let's grab the model that I want to skim coat. There. I don't think there's really a right way or a wrong way to apply this. It's almost like you're adding like a thin frosting to a cake. And it's also best when you're applying this to add it in even coats, because once you start applying it, you notice that there's some kind of low areas. If you fill those in and make sure your paste is all level, it'll save you some time when it comes to sanding this. After 24 hours, the paste has cured and has created this nice hard shell. This still might feel a little tacky, but don't worry, this is fully cured. I'm going to sand this down with some 100 grit sandpaper. Now keep in mind when you're sanding, go in nice circular motions, because if you keep on going one direction, you have all these little cuts and indents from sandpaper. Just go in nice circular motions and keep on attacking that paste layer. I've been sanding this for about a few minutes now. As you can tell that already the result is much, much smoother than what it was before. Just keep at it. Your effort will be well worth it in the long run. Alright, the saucer has been sanded down, and notice that still lots of imperfections on the surface, so I ended up applying this Bondo glazing and spot putty to all the little imperfections. And I'll go ahead and sand this all down, and I'll show you the final result. All the putty has been sanded down. Now let's finish this off with some primer. And here's the final saucer, all primed and sanded smooth. If you have any questions about Aves epoxy paste or have any suggestions for more topics I should cover in the future, please leave them down below in the comment section. And as always, stay creative.